Hi, this is Hima from Mumbai International. Good afternoon. Today we welcome you all for today's live session. We will discuss about what are the current ongoing requirements with our client. Okay, so let me start with some introduction part of the company Ambe International. Ambe International is a manpower consultancy which holds the first recruitment license issued in India in 1983 to any overseas recruitment company in India. Ambe has made over 350,000 placements in 25 plus countries. Over the years, we have been serving as a catalyst in bringing together career seekers and employers from across the world. We have been instrumental in placing unskilled, semi-skilled, skilled, and highly skilled personnel in the various sectors globally with an aim to achieve more in the future. So this is the brief about our company Ambe International, which is a global recruitment and mobility. Now we come to the actual requirements, what the client is looking for, and what about that face-to-face interviews and the Zoom interviews. Okay, so can we have a slides, please?
We are having the requirement that is for Qatar. It's a long-term project, okay, for which there is a large vacancy for a leading oil and gas company. And the final interview is ongoing today in Trichy. So the requirement is for mechanical technician, static and rotating. So whoever is there in the interview today itself. If not, then you can share the CV at mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Our team will get in touch with you and give you the like updated requirement if we are having something for future. Next.
Uh, the okay, so Abu Dhabi UAE is looking for a project manager, which is experience in being construction management or a related degree, and 15 years of experience in project management with oil and gas industry, and project delivery and PMP certification is important. So the candidate who has experience in oil and gas with Gulf experience and with construction projects, ensuring project schedule, monitor, quality control, and various the job details which are mentioned in the slide. So those who are interested, please share your CV to mechanical at the rate in manager at the rate indianpersonal.com, and you can call 86577 and you can WhatsApp your CV so that our team will process the CV and shortlist it from the client. Next.
The ones who are like join us for the first time in the live session can register yourself by the given link, okay, on the given link, and we'll update you about all the requirements which are ongoing in our Ambi International office.
Okay, so there is a one more requirement for a procurement manager for Abu Dhabi, where the client is looking for a bachelor's degree with supply chain management and related master degree, which is preferred, and 12 to 15 years of experience in procurement with oil and gas construction sector and deep understanding of industry dynamics. There is some certifications client is looking for a that is certified purchasing professional CPP or a Chartered Institute of Procurement and Supply CIPS, which is highly regarded. So those who are having these certifications and those who are looking for a procurement manager for Abu Dhabi, please share your CV to manager at the indianpersonal.com. You can also WhatsApp the CV. Next. This is for a long-term project for Oman, chiller plant maintenance supervisor, degree or a diploma in mechanical engineering or air conditioning. So the job description is minimum 5 years, at least 3 years in supervisory role in operation and maintenance of chiller plants, and should be excellent knowledge in centrifugal chillers operations above 2000 tons, and should have knowledge and experience in cooling tower and water parameters, and should be familiar with system parameters, pressure and temperature. Good HSE knowledge required. So those who are interested to share a CV to mechanical@indianpersonal.com, you can call our WhatsApp on 8655843961.
Next.
Next. This is one of our leading client for Qatar long term, where client is looking for oil and gas experience, and Gulf experience is must. So the categories are QAQC inspector material, QAQC engineering mechanical, piping text package coordinator r/engineer, QAQC engineering mechanical, QAQC inspector electrical, QAQC inspector steel structure, QAQC inspector building, lead QAQC engineering civil, lead our engineering of QAQC piping, QAQC engineering civil, E&I, and the inspector categories which comes to QAQC insulation, QAQC entity, QAQC mechanical, QAQC E&I, QAQC welding, QAQC painting, QAQC civil, and QAQC piping. So there is a lot more requirements which are comes from our Qatar project for a long term, which is whole soul of QAQC, which is inspectors, lead engineers, and engineers, where oil and gas experience is must and GCC experience is must. You can share your CV and documents, that is educational experience, passport copy, and photo to mechanical@indianpersonal.com. You can either call or a WhatsApp on 892806953 or 865705126 8291734621 or 8655843961. It's an immediate selection and the Zoom interviews will conduct once it is shortlisted. Next.
There's a large requirement going on for one of our leading client, that is for Saudi Arabia, and the interviews will be shortly by from tomorrow onwards. Okay, from 8 and 9, and the categories are too many. Okay, so you can just check on this post, and whoever is looking for the vacancy and do have the Gulf experience in the relevant positions which the requirement is going on, so you can kindly call or WhatsApp us on the given numbers. You can even email it on the given email ID, and our team will get in touch with you and will provide you all the further details about the interview schedule and everything. So you can just see there are like a lot of vacancies going on, and whoever is looking for the opportunity can call us or WhatsApp us on the given below details. Next. Please make sure that you are having the Gulf experience, that too of the oil and gas construction experiences, because this project is mainly for our oil and gas construction project.
Numbers.
The numbers are like 8928069532. Another number is 8657051262. 8291734621, 8655843961, 8657019482, and our landline number is, that is 2261431234. You can email all the updated CV along with the documents, and the documents would be your experience certificate, education certificate, passport copy, recent passport size photo, along with your updated CV in one PDF file. You can email it on mechanical@indianpersonal.com.
पर का हेडलाइन बोल एक बार.
This vacancy is for our one of our leading company, which is for Saudi Arabia, and candidate must have at least 3+ years Gulf experience in oil and gas. Aramco experience is preferred. Even the candidates very good Indian experience in oil and gas, companies can apply.
Those who are available in Mumbai, please come today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow to submit the documents for the interviews. Okay. So those who are not available in Mumbai, please share the documents to mechanical@indianpersonal.com. So there is a junior category to very senior category. There are a lot more categories. Please go through it and please revert tomorrow with CV and documents in our office. Next. Gas Arabia, okay, one of our leading client for Gas Arabia Saudi for a oil and gas company, and it is a long-term project. So basically, the client is looking for a criteria of all candidates should have worked in Saudi Arabia in Aramco project, Aramco approved or Aramco experienced candidates to be allowed to attend final client interviews. Candidates who can attend interviews in below locations only should apply. So those who are available in nearby locations, request you to please revert on that. Okay. So first of all, we need to share the CV to the client. Once it is shortlisted, then only we will share you the interview call letter. So Cochin, we have an interviews on 11th Jan, and Chennai we have an interviews on 12th Jan, and Mumbai we have an interviews on 13th Jan. The venues will share shortly if the profile shortlisted. So my representative numbers are there. Please call and discuss with them. The categories are welding supervisor, mechanical QC supervisor, E&I QC supervisor, coating QC supervisor, HSC, telecom are a coating crew supervisors. Regarding managers, HSC managers, construction managers, and procurement managers. And project engineering mechanical procurement officer are a procurement engineer. Inspectors, we are looking for welding, piping, electrical, telecom QC, instrumentation QC, coating and material receiving. The other categories are NDT coordinator, environment coordinator, safety officer, that is NEBOSH, and telecom foreman. So for this Saudi Arabia, the client is basically looking for an Aramco approved Aramco project experience. Without that, please don't share the CV. If you share, we will process for any other client which are looking for. Okay, so you can contact or you can email CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com, or you can WhatsApp the CV on below numbers, that is 8928069532, 865705126 or 829173461 or 8655843961, 865701948. You can reach our landline number is 02261431234. If you are in Mumbai, please come today, tomorrow to submit these documents to our office 507 Shanar Industrial Estate, Dr. E. Moses Road, Valiraka, Mumbai. Next.
We have one more requirement that is for Abu Dhabi company, for a leading oil and gas company. This is for 3 to 6 months shutdown project. There's free accommodation, and this requirement is also free. The candidate should have at least 3 plus years oil and gas experience, Gulf experience, and the shutdown experience in the Gulf can apply. Candidate who can attend the interview in Mumbai, Chennai, Vadodara only should apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be allowed to attend the final client interviews, and the final client interviews in Mumbai, Chennai, Vadodara will be from 11th Jan onwards. So positions are piping supervisors, pipe, piping fabricators, pipe fitters, welding supervisor, welding foreman, welder 6G TIG and R, and welder arc. So you can see we are having a large vacancies going on, and the salaries are given. So kindly apply by sharing your CV on shutdown@indianpersonal.com, or else you can even contact us by on the given contact details, which are 8928069532, 51262, 8291734621, 8655843961, 8657019 482, and the landline number is 02261431234. The ones who are nearby these locations can directly come to our office and submit your CV passport for the for the process, and we will let you know about the details about the interview once your CV is shortlisted by the client. Next.
We have this requirement for a Saudi long term, and it is free recruitment for a leading insulation company in Saudi Arabia. So basically, the client is looking for a divisional manager of finance and controlling, where the candidate should have master's university degree in business administration, CPA, CARACCA, and 8 years of related experience in finance manager in an industrial service or a construction company, and must have good English skills and knowledge of Arabic is desirable, and high affinity with ERP system like ideally SAP FICO or SD modules, and responsibility for financial accounting, treasury, controlling, tax and compliance. Responsibility for monthly, quarterly, and annual financial statements according to internal cost accountings and IFRS. The candidate must have a Gulf experience with 10 plus years of experience. And one more category, that is HR manager, must have 15 plus years of experience in HR and admin field, must be graduate with an MBA in HR and minimum 10 years in oil and gas experience. You can please share your CV on hemaip@indianpersonal.com, or you can call or WhatsApp your CV on 82917 34621. Next.
We have one more vacancy that is for Qatar long term, and this is a completely free requirement. This is for one of our leading MNC company for their Qatar Gas NFS project. Trade test will be done. Free food accommodation is provided. The duty would be 8 hours, and OT will be provided. There is a large vacancy going on. The position is for 6G TIG and arc welders, SS TIG and arc welders, or the candidate should have at least 3 years of experience in oil and gas. You can apply immediately with CV and passport at Ambi International Office, which is at Wali Naka. So kindly come to our office and do the shortlisting. Next. You can even contact us on 0226143 1234, and you can WhatsApp it on 773889103, 8291096488. You can even email it on mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. But it would be best if you can come to our office and do the shortlisting. Next.
Dubai long term, which is for a leading government power transmission company in UAE, and it is also free recruitment, and there is a large requirements. Final client interviews are scheduled in Mumbai, Chennai, and Jharkhand in second or the third week of January this month. So there are various categories. The categories includes senior manager of planning and studies, supervisor of SCADA database HV and MV, supervisor of telecom and OTS maintenance and commissioning, and supervisor of cable maintenance. There are some engineering roles that includes senior engineering of operation studies, IPP interface and settlement, production operation planning, engineering transformer and reactor, OHL engineering, protection and control engineering, protection and control settings, and telecom and OTS maintenance and commissioning. There are mid-level engineering roles which includes engineering of equipment maintenance and trans real-time operation, PNC maintenance engineering, SCADA system support engineering, SCADA database HV and MV engineer, telecom and OTS maintenance and commissioning engineer, OHL maintenance engineering, and protection modeling and studies. Technical and support roles requires electrician, which is have ITI diploma in technician and diploma holder only. And analyst roles that includes analyst of OT network operations center, senior analyst of threat intelligence, analyst of cyber security OPS center, analyst OT lab. So these categories of analyst roles requires BTech or a diploma in computer science or IT. And below and above the positions that have discussed, telecom, which requires electrical and electronics degree. All candidates must have minimum 5 years of relevant experience, whether it's in India or a Gulf. Okay, and candidate must possess academic background in electrical or electronics. And request you to please ensure that applied position, whichever you are applying a position, please mention that category into the subject line of the email so that it is easier to discuss further details to you. And you can contact or WhatsApp your CV on 82917 or 8655843961 or 86570 or 89280 You can call the landline number is 02261431234. Please email your CV on dubai@indianpersonal.com. It's a long the large requirements, and once it is shortlisted, then only the client will do a personal round of interviews on Mumbai, Chennai, and Jharkhand on second or a third week of January this month. So please rush to apply the CVs to this UAE long term project. Next.
We are having a large vacancy for one of our leading client for Saudi Arabia for a long-term project, and the position is for in charge PMG from the manufacturing division. So candidate must have at least 15 years of experience as a project manager specifically related to design, manufacturing, and supply of pressure vessels, heat exchanger, skid, and columns. Must have in-depth knowledge of resource planning, project costing, and budgeting. Expert in project planning, scheduling with the Microsoft project Primavera, experience in leading license with the EPC clients like Sabic, Aramco, Saipem, TR, etc. SAP knowledge will be an advantage, added value, and this position is related to our manufacturing division, so the candidate must have the relevant experience as mentioned in the detailed job specification. In charge second requirement is for in charge planning, that is for a turnaround and maintenance. So the candidate must have at least 15 years of experience in managing the brownfield EPC project, retrofit, shutdown, and turnaround planning primarily using the Primavera P6. Strong expertise in project budgeting, cost control, monitoring, and the closure is essential. The role requires excellent communication skill and ability. So you can kindly email your CV at mechanical@indianpersonal.com. You can even call or WhatsApp on 89280 The ones who have joined us for the first time can register themselves on the given link, which is shown at the bottom of this slide. So the ones who are having the experience, kindly email your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com, and we'll let you know about the further process. Next. We have one more requirement, that is for Saudi Arabia for a long-term project for a leading oil and gas company. We are looking for instrumentation and control system engineer. They should have bachelor's degree in electrical electronics or instrumentation engineering, strong analytical troubleshooting and technical expertise, basic knowledge of H2S, LEL, pH, conductivity, O2 analyzer, gas detector, and gas chromatography. The second position is for estimation engineer from the mechanical background. The candidate should be from oil and gas background. Next. You can email your CV at mechanical@indianpersonal.com, or else contact us on 8928069532. But please make sure you're having the oil and gas experience of the construction firm. Next, kindly email, register yourself on the given link that is shown in the bottom of our presentation live session, and we'll update you if we are having any requirements going on at a main international office. So far, we have already told you about all the requirements that is ongoing at Ambe International Office. For some are Zoom interviews, some are face-to-face interviews. If you are anywhere, okay, you can email your CVs or contact us on the given contact details. Or else, if you are in Mumbai and can visit our office, then it will be great. If you can come and submit your CV and passport for the shortlisting.
Next. Okay, so thank you for today's joining a live session. You can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Orkut, Instagram, and YouTube. You can also WhatsApp the CV on 82919 99288. So there is a QR code scan with a Google Lens to join WhatsApp channel directly. You can visit our website on www.ambeinter.com, and you can come and visit office through personal, that is 507 Shanar Industrial District, Dr. E. Moses Road, Valinaka, Mumbai 18. Suresh LAT. I'm an electrician. Suresh, ji, yes, we have an opening for an electrician. Plus, but please do share your CV on endi@indianpersonal.com. Then we will update you. Next.
Hello, is there any supermarket vacancies? Sapan, thank you for asking the question, but for these vacancies, we don't hire, okay? But still, you can share your CV. Maybe if we are having any requirement for future, we will let you know. How much is the salary slab for supervisors? Miraj, I would request you to kindly call or email your CV so that we can give you the proper details for the whatever requirement which are going on. So please share your CV so that we can discuss the further details. Yashwant Kumar, scaffolding supervisor and inspector. Yashwant, yeah, we are having few requirements going on, so kindly just email your CV and also contact us. So we will give you the further details by on call.
अंगद कुमार, एक्सकवेटर व्हील लोडर ऑपरेटर का वांट है क्या? हाँ जी सर, आप प्लीज़ आपका जो सीवी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है ड्राइवर @indian पर्सनल में भेज दीजिए। फिर हम लोग ज़रूर आपको कांटेक्ट करके बताएंगे। साजाद हुसैन, आई एम एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टेक्नीशियन, माई कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। ओके सर, आपका सीवी जो भी है ENDI@indian पर्सनल पे भेज दीजिए। कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगा तो हम ज़रूर आपको कांटेक्ट करेंगे। एंड थैंक यू जो आपने ज्वाइन किया है। पूजा LAT, इलेक्ट्रिशियन वैकेंसी, हाँ अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने डिस्कस किया था। यस, वी हैव अ वैकेंसी, बट जो आप इन केस मुंबई में है तो प्लीज़ कल ऑफिस आ जाइए। नहीं तो फिर ENDI@indianpersonal.com में आपका CV डॉक्यूमेंट भेज दीजिए।
excavator operator, 10 years experience in Saudi Arabia. मोहम्मद, हम आपको बताएंगे, बट आप आपका सीवी जो है ड्राइवर एट द रेट इंडियन पर्सनल पे शेयर कीजिए, एंड फिर उसके बाद में हम आपको डिटेल्स दे देंगे जो भी है। नेक्स्ट, warehouse operators manager, operations manager. Kasif, we are having few requirements, so please email your CV at mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Our team will give you call and provide you further details. Thank you. Next, are there any senior civil structure design engineer positions? Um, Yeah, we are having few requirements. So kindly just email the CV at either on civil at the rate indianpersonal.com or else at mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. We will give you the further details by going through your CV.
परवेज मर्चेंट मैम फॉर जनरल लेबर आई विल शेयर माय सीवी। ओके सर, थैंक यू। आप प्लीज जो भी है सीवी शेयर करो, हमारी टीम आपको कांटेक्ट करेगी। नेक्स्ट, काव्या हिरेन, एनी वैकेंसी फॉर इंस्ट्रूमेंट सुपरवाइजर कंट्रोल मॉल स्पेशलिस्ट? यस सर, है रिक्वायरमेंट। प्लीज आपका जो भी सीवी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप भेज दीजिए, हमारी टीम आपको कांटेक्ट करेगी। नेक्स्ट,
मैम ग्रेडर ऑपरेटर का है कहीं जगह यूरोप कंट्रीज में। अभी फिलहाल तो ग्रेडर ऑपरेटर के लिए नहीं है सर, यूरोप के लिए, बट फिर भी आप आपका सीवी ऑपरेटर्स एट द रेट इंडियन पर्सनल और इस ड्राइवर एट द रेट इंडियन पर्सनल पे शेयर कीजिए। अगर कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट आता है हमारे पास तो हम आपको बता देंगे। थैंक यू। Senior civil engineer. Yes, we are having few requirements, Mohammed. So you can kindly email your CV with the documents, and our team will provide you the further details. Thank you. Vacancy for electrical supervisor. Saddam Hussain, yes, we are having few requirements going on for electrical supervisors. So kindly email your CV on mechanical at the rate indianpersonal.com. Our team will provide you the further details as there are a lot of vacancies going on at present. Any job for MEP engineer outside India, experience 3 years. Abhijit, yes, you can share the CV, okay? And if your profile is matching to the requirements which we are having at present, then we will surely give you the further details. Thank you.
Renji Korean, I'm a mechanical fresher. I worked for railway electrification section, but I would like to change to oil and gas industry. Is there any chance? Sir, chance तो है, but do share your CV to mechanical@indianpersonal.com. So basically, we are looking for a mechanical fresher, maybe some experience in oil and gas. Okay, but do share the CV so that our team will get back to you. Next, Sheikh Ismail. Do we have a camp manager vacancy? Yes, we have an opening for Saudi. Please do share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. We will get back to you, sir. Kavya Hiren, please send your email ID. You can email on mechanical, MECHANICAL, mechanical at the rate INDIANPERSONNEL.com, या भेज दीजिए mechanical@indianpersonal.com में, हम रिवर्ट करेंगे सर, डोंट वरी। नेक्स्ट,
Supervisor का
करमान
survey
सिंह,
है।
सर्वेयर का कोई जॉब है? कौन सी सर्वेयर सर? प्लीज स्पेसिफाई कीजिए, देन वी विल हेल्प टू प्रोवाइड सम डिटेल्स। मोहम्मद इत्तेशाम आलम, एनी प्रोडक्शन सुपरवाइजर? मैम, आई हैव कंप्लीट 5 years experience in India. Sir, as of now, we don't have any requirement which is related to production, but still do please share your CV on amberesumes@indianpersonal.com. In case कुछ फ्यूचर में रहेगा तो हम बता देंगे। नेक्स्ट, Ashok Jutuka. I'm a mechanical drafter and designer. I have 9+ years of work experience in oil and gas. Yes, okay. So we have an opening for Saudi. Please do share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Our team will advise you what is the further process. Next. Amit Kumar Singh. I'm an oil and gas rig welder. If you have any vacancy for welder. सर आप मुंबई में हो तो कल आके आप मिल लीजिए कि वेल्डर का क्या कैटेगरी आपका एग्जैक्टली है, नहीं तो फिर आप सीवी डॉक्यूमेंट्स भेज दीजिए mechanical@indianpersonal.com में, हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर चेक करके आपको अपडेट देंगे. नेक्स्ट. करमान सिंह, अच्छा लैंड सर्वेयर, ओके. प्लीज आपका सीवी भेज दीजिए civil@indianpersonal.com में. नेक्स्ट.
Good morning. Any opportunity for security managerial post? Sir, at present, though, we don't have any requirement for this position, but still you can share your CV at manager@indianpersonal.com. So we will let you know if we are having some other requirements, sir. Thank you. CCTV and telecommunication supervisor, team leader, job, 15 years experience. जयेश भाई परमार, थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन सर. आप आपका सीवी mechanical@indianpersonal.com या फिर ENI@indianpersonal.com पे भेज दीजिए. हमारा टीम आपको फर्दर डिटेल्स दे देगा, बिकॉज कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं तो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर देंगे सर. थैंक यू. Do have civil QS, senior QS lead position, any opening in UAE region? Sir, at present we are having few requirement for this civil senior QS, okay, but it is for Qatar location. So kindly share your CV at civil@indianpersonal.com or else at mechanical@indianpersonal.com. Our team will provide you the further details. Thank you.
Arun Kumar Purohit. I'm an electrical engineer with 40 years of project experience of fertilizers and steel plant in India and Gulf. I can get a job. I am fit. Okay, Arunji. Thank you for today's live show. आपने join किया है. No problem. You can share the CV, sir. In case कुछ age का criteria नहीं रहेगा तो then we will process to further. Next.
Dear ma'am, please share official email ID. I will provide, and I'm arriving in Mumbai and your office location, ma'am, please. Sir, at the bottom of all our advertisements, there is our email ID given and also our address is provided. Otherwise, if you are not getting it, you can directly call anyone on that given number and they will provide you the proper details. Thank you.
Zulkar Naid. Hi, madam. I'm a civil engineer having more than 8 years experience, including 3 years in GCC. Currently, I'm in Saudi Arabia looking for a new job in construction industry. Is there any chance for me? सर आपका जो भी है अभी सऊदी का काम कीजिए, उसके बाद इंडिया आके फिर ऑफिस में आके मिलिए, कुछ रहेगा तो हम जरूर बताएंगे आपको. नेक्स्ट. Mohammed Suhail have piping firm and PTW 10 years of Gulf experience. Yes, we have an opening for Saudi for a long term project. Please do share your CV on mechanical@indianpersonal.com. हमारी टीम आपको अपडेट करेगी फॉर अ फर्दर जूम राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यूज विद द क्लाइंट. नेक्स्ट.
Arun Kumar. On which
Which
email?
email ID I should send CV? mechanical@indianpersonal.com, sir. Vinesh Gadkari, I have 32 years of experience in the construction field. Okay, please do share your CV on civil@indianpersonal.com so that we can go through the CV and we will update you कि मतलब कौन सा client पे process करना है and which for which country. If it is not age criteria, then we were happy to share the CV to our clients. Next.
I have 20 years experience in electrical operational maintenance and project in petrochemical industry. Prashant, thank you for asking the question. Kindly email your CV at mechanical@indianpersonal.com. We will provide you the further process or the details if we are having the vacancy which matches to your profile. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you for today's, whoever has joined, maybe it would be useful and fruitful to you, sir. Thank you.